4.5 million pounds of king crab were pulled in by Alaskan fishermen in 2022, a total value of $43 million. Let's explore the process behind catching these particular crabs. King crabs are commonly known for their impressive size, a spiny shell, long legs, and a hard exoskeleton that protects them. They are commercially harvested for their delicious and tender meat, which is popular in seafood markets and restaurants. The legs of these crabs are the most commonly consumed part and are often cooked by boiling or steaming. These boats are specially equipped with crab pots or traps that are designed to be effective in capturing king crabs, while also reducing the chances of catching other species, known as bycatch. The pots or traps are like large cages, often made of metal or mesh, and are baited with fish or other attractants to lure the crabs inside. To target king crabs specifically, the traps are designed with entrances that allow larger crabs to enter while discouraging smaller or undersized crabs. Once the fishing phase begins, fishing boats deploy crab pots at specific locations on the ocean floor where king crab populations are known to be abundant. After the pots or traps are set in place, they undergo a soaking period during which they remain on the ocean floor to allow time for the crabs to discover the bait and enter the traps. The duration of the soaking period can vary and is often determined based on factors such as environmental conditions, crab behavior, and fishing regulations. Once the set soaking period has elapsed, the fishing vessels return to the deployment locations to retrieve the traps. This involves hauling the pots or traps back to the surface using specialized equipment on the fishing vessel. The fishing crew carefully opens the traps to access the captured king crabs, are removed from the traps and placed onto large trays or sorting tables on the deck. These trays are usually designed to hold a significant quantity of crabs, making it easier for the crew to sort and process the catch efficiently. On the trays, the king crabs are sorted based on various factors such as size, sex, and quality. The crew may also inspect each crab to ensure compliance with fishing regulations, releasing any undersized or prohibited crabs back into the sea. The captured crabs are then sorted on board with undersized or non-target crabs typically released back into the sea to ensure compliance with size and species regulations. Live well tanks are specialized spaces designed to hold and store live king crabs after they are initially captured. The live well is an important component of commercial fishing vessels targeting king crabs, as it helps keep the crabs alive and in good condition until they can be further processed or transported to onshore facilities. After the crab pots or traps are retrieved, the live crabs are placed into the live well. This space is often filled with seawater to provide the crabs with the necessary environment to survive. The water is circulated to ensure oxygenation and to maintain a suitable temperature for the crabs. Upon arrival at a processing facility, king crabs go through a sorting and processing stage before being prepared for market distribution. Workers at the processing facility manually sort the crabs based on size, weight, and other quality criteria. Skilled workers position the crab close to their chest, utilizing their body weight to push the crab against a fixed or specially designed knife. Each side is then individually placed under a rotating blade, a mechanical device specifically engineered for precision cutting. The crab legs are positioned, and the rotating blade swiftly and accurately separates the segments with consistency and precision. Advanced technology and automation also play a significant role in this process. Robotic arms equipped with precision tools are programmed to perform the intricate task of cutting crab legs automatically. These systems use sensors and cameras to identify the position and orientation of each crab leg, ensuring accuracy and consistency in the cutting process. The robotic arms can swiftly and precisely make cuts, optimizing the use of the crab and minimizing waste. Automated cutting systems are designed to handle large volumes of crab legs, providing a faster and more standardized production compared to manual methods. The integration of technology in this stage of processing not only increases efficiency but also improves overall product quality by delivering uniformly cut crab legs. After the king crab legs are collected and processed, the next step is often cooking, a crucial stage that contributes to the preservation and enhancement of the crab meat's flavor and texture. The collected legs are typically placed in large baskets or containers, and the cooking process may involve boiling or steaming. The availability of pre-cooked and frozen crab offers a convenient option for consumers. Most crab is processed and cooked shortly after harvesting, and then it is rapidly frozen to preserve its freshness and flavor. Canned king crab meat offers a convenient option for consumers, allowing for easy storage and extended shelf life, a ready-to-use solution. Alternatively, whole king crab legs are sold for direct use in restaurants and other culinary establishments. The legs are packed in frozen boxes that can contain multiple legs. These boxes are designed to provide an extra layer of protection during transportation and storage. The intact legs are often preferred by chefs for their visual appeal and the opportunity to showcase the distinctive presentation of king crab. They hold a special place in the world of seafood, known for their impressive size, distinctive appearance, and delectable meat. If you're curious to learn about the processing of other foods and production lines, check out the next set of videos here.